What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing another LEGO unboxing. This time we're going to be heading to Clone Troopers. We're going to be checking out set 75280. This is the 501st Clone Troopers. It comes with a speeder, it comes with a walker, and it comes with 4 Clone Troopers and 2 battle droids. So you get a nice assortment of figures in this 285 piece set. Let's go ahead and get it open and check out what's inside. So we've got push opens here. Oh no! Bring it back just a little bit. Alright, inside that is everything. So we got 2 poly bags of accessories, a sticker sheet, and our good old instruction manual. So let's go ahead and skip right into the time lapse of getting this bad boy assembled. Do it! Okay, so now that we are done building and you guys can see these on the turntable, I like the design overall of the ATRT walker, but it feels a little unbalanced, and getting it into some poses can be kind of difficult where it doesn't like to stand up if you put the legs too far apart. Overall, it's a pretty cool design. It is a little bit flimsy though. I feel like the legs come apart a little bit easy and it separates at the command section or the pilot section a little bit too easily. The bark speeder is actually pretty cool. The build on it is really good. It's durable. It can hold the trooper. It's got a nice design. The blasters on it look cool. Overall, I think the better of the two vehicles in this pack is definitely the speeder. I do think, even though the vehicles in this are pretty neat, they do have some playability for kids. They do have some place in a mock. I do think more the draw for this is going to be the unique figure in it, and that's the 501st Jet Trooper. He does have some unique printing on him, so I do think this, of everything in this set, is going to be the draw once it's retired. The Clone Troopers you can get in other packs. The Battle Droids you can get in other packs. However, I do think if you are going to be doing mocks and building lots of Star Wars stuff, this is a good way to get yourself some troopers. You get 4 troopers and 2 battle droids, so you do get enough to build some interesting things with. So overall, I do like the set for the price. I think it's a good piece count. I think you get a good amount of minifigures. I think at the price, it is a good deal. Once it retires, I think the price is going to go up a little bit, but not a ton, because every time I've gone into stores, there's been just a ton of these sitting on the shelves when some of the other more popular sets are sold out. But if you are looking for clones, this is a good way to build your army in the current LEGO offerings. Now, I have heard rumor that this set is potentially going to retire at the end of 2022. I don't know what truth there is to that, but if you want to start building your clone army, probably for one of the most budget ways you can, this is a good set that you're going to want to give some thought to. Also, currently, while I'm recording this, Target was running a spend $50, get a $10 gift card, so that deal is currently going on for buyers in the United States, and I do believe it is also on sale on top of that, priced at $24.49, at least here where I'm looking at it on Target.com. So if you're a buyer in the United States, this is a good option to build some clones, get a gift card to pay for some more Lego or other stuff. Also, I've got some other Lego builds up here if you're interested in that. And if you're interested in checking out other guys like this, the 501st Hot Toys figure, you can check that out down